Hey fellow creators, today I've got something special for you. Remember the secret preset we explored 2 videos ago? Well, we're going to apply it today. We're starting with our beat. Now let's apply the secret sauce. And now let's add Sutu and sidechain it with the vocal. Now let's talk about the vocals. Let's introduce Sutu to the channel. Now let's listen how it was before. And after. Our beat is punchier and vocals are smoother than ever. It's like audio magic. Quick recap, our secret preset for beats and Sutu for vocals. But here's the tip, it's not about the plugins alone, it's about knowing how to use them. So explore, experiment and keep creating amazing music.